Hello, welcome to this class, and my name is Madam Elizabeth. And today we are going to look at chapter 1 of the law, that is the introduction to law, purpose of the law, classification of law, and the sources of Kenyan law. The topic 1, introduction to law. What is law? Law, it is a set of principles and rules imposed against the citizens of the country by the state. So they are the principles that are imposed to us to guide us in our daily basis. We can also define law as a body of principles required and applied by the state in the administration of justice. So let's go to the next slide and see the purposes or the importances of the law. How is law important to us? The first point is that it promotes social cohesion among the society. So, where there is law, there is peace, or else there is a good relationship between the members of the society. Each society and community has its law which regulate the mutual relation. The point number 2 is to regulate the behavior and the conduct of a person. This enables the citizens to pay attention to the most important information, adopt new changes or situation, and not to cause harm. The next point is to provide justice to members of the society. The other point is to protect the fundamental rights and freedom of an individual. So, laws protect the citizens, to protect the rights of the citizens. The other point is to maintain peace and security in the country. So, law help prevent, mitigate violence, crime, and conflict. The other point is to solve disputes. There are effective methods of settling disputes, that is negotiation, mediation, arbitration. And these allow the parties involved to meet in order to settle the dispute. See the characteristics of laws. Law is a set of body of rules that may originate from the heart of the parliament. The second point is regulate human behavior. The rules are enforced for the guidance of human conduct. The other point is application to community. Rules are applied to specific community. Every community has got its rules that guide the members in doing their life. The other point is change of rules. So, laws changes over a period of time. The other point is that it is created and maintained by the state. It is the parliament that makes law and it maintains the law. The classification of law. Law, it is classified into various categories. There is public law, private law, criminal law, written law, and unwritten law. The public law refers to the law that governs the relationship between the state and its citizens. So, this is the law that, that governs our country, that is Kenya, and us, the citizens. Then there is private law. It is law that governs the citizens among themselves. So, these are laws that governs you and me. Then, there is criminal law. Criminal law refers to the system of law that provides guidance for how to punish the criminals. Then there is written law. They are laws that have been written or that have been converted into writing into the Kenyan Constitution. These are laws that have been written down and approved by the government. Unwritten law. Unwritten laws, they are rules of law that are not contained in any form of document. The existence of such rules are justified by the existence of the customs from the society. For example, the African customary law. The last slide is on the sources of Kenyan law. Source. Source refers to where something originates or can be obtained. Therefore, it can also refer to various factors which contribute to and determine to the content of law and organ which law are created. The sources of law literally means where laws are formed. That is, the material from which the laws are derived from, and they are used to describe the original law and its applicable principles. We can obtain our Kenyan law from the Constitution of Kenya, Legislature Law, English Common Law, Africa Customary Law, Islamic Law, Law, and Judiciary Precedents. Thank you.